Nope, it says 24 a piece, 12 lids and 12 containers. I read all the descriptions. So I'm just going to count them for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There's the bunch of lids over here. There's 23. And I can't find the 24th one. But no, you get 24 containers, 24 lids. It's not 12 lids, 12 containers. It's 24 altogether. So 24 containers, 24 lids. I promise you that's what it is. If you look at the main photo, when you click on the link, you'll see like the main photo, that's what you're getting for the 24 pieces. You're getting 24 complete sets, okay? So it's well worth it. It's not 12 lids, 12 containers. It's 24 total containers. And they do come with the labels as well as the marker.